ज़्यादातर लोग इस सवाल के साथ हमारे पास आते हैं कि मैम मेरा सब कुछ ठीक था, फिर भी मेरी प्रेगनेंसी क्यों नहीं हुई? देयर आर सम कॉमन मिस्टेक्स विच वी डू नॉट इवन अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी आर मेकिंग। नंबर 1, ओवर एक्सरसाइज। आपने अब तक सुना होगा एक्सरसाइज जरूरी है, एक्सरसाइज जरूरी है, बट देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ओवर एक्सरसाइजिंग। अगर आप अपनी बॉडी की कैपेसिटी से ज्यादा एक्सर्ट करते हैं और हर चीज को बहुत ज्यादा करने की कोशिश करते हैं, you are actually creating trauma inside your body. You are actually putting your body through a lot of stress. Number 2, following a very fad diet. कि मैं तो there may be some person telling you that ये खाओ प्रेगनेंसी हो जाएगी, ये मत खाओ प्रेगनेंसी हो जाएगी, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। अगर सिर्फ खाने या ना खाने से प्रेगनेंसी होती तो बहुत पहले से इनफर्टिलिटी शुरू हो जानी चाहिए थी। The only thing which you need is a balanced diet. Balanced diet means it should have right proportion of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, essential fatty acids, fiber. Everything should be there in a balanced amount. So you have to follow a particular healthy lifestyle, moderate exercise, proper nutrition. The third most important thing is sleep and stress. Everybody keeps talking about stress. Stress. I believe stress is something you are doing something without enjoying it. So if you love your work and you are happy doing it, there will be no stress. If you do not want to work, but you are being forced to work, that is stress. So there are cases where females are being pushed to have a baby, but inside they are not ready for having a baby. So just sit down, have a conversation with yourself. Are you ready to have this baby right now? Or if you think that no, this is not the right time for me, I'm focused on my career or something, maybe go for fertility preservation. Preserve your eggs. You can use it later. Do not come under any kind of pressure. Do what you like to do. Last but not the least is ignoring key nutrients in food. Sometimes we are so busy, we just have this, जल्दी भागते कुछ खा लिया या खाना skip कर दिया या meal में कुछ भी, we follow one particular type of diet only, which is lacking in some kind of key nutrition. So all balanced meal has to be there. Avoid smoking and drinking because that does lot of damage to your body. ये सब बेकार की बात है कि एक ग्लास वाइन ठीक है, एक ग्लास वो ठीक है, 2 सिगरेट ठीक है. No, smoking and drinking does a lot of harm to your body. So fertility is just a journey. Decide when you are ready to board the train. Do not get stressed about any part of it. Science has advanced. Make use of that. But till the time you are ready, just try to have a healthy, happy, peaceful life and things will fall in place. Okay.